How to customize any WordPress theme without coding for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you're looking to customize your WordPress website, then you don't necessarily have to learn how to code to do that. WordPress is super customizable, even if you're someone that doesn't have a lot of experience with coding. And I'm going to break it down step by step for you as a beginner to be able to customize your WordPress theme. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to head on over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard, you'll see on your left-hand side, you have your control panel, and in this, you have your appearance. Once you click on appearance, you will see the themes section. So there are multiple different themes available for WordPress. You can even install integrations that build more customizable and different types of themes that fulfill different purposes. Obviously, a theme that is built for retail is going to be different than a theme that is built for maybe real estate. So you want to choose a theme that befits the particular purpose that you're building your website for. If it's a portfolio, then you're going to build it differently. If it's something like a basic portfolio or retail website, then it's going to be different. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go on ahead and choose your theme. So I already have the 23 theme applied. You can choose whichever one you want. So if you want, you can choose another one. You can even click on add new theme over here, and this will lead you to the theme gallery. You can upload your own theme or even use third-party providers to choose a theme for you. Now, once you have chosen your theme, you can click on editor over here. Now, once you click on editor, this will open up the WordPress editor. You will see on your left side, you have your navigation. Then you will have your styles, pages, templates, and patterns. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that a lot of people are going to be using Elementor for their WordPress website building. That allows you to build a more customized appearance for your WordPress website. And I do recommend that if you're someone that doesn't have a lot of experience in code, you go ahead and install the Elementor plugin. However, I will be explaining the basic WordPress editor first. Now, you guys can see this is a very empty website, a blog about philosophy, hello world. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to click on styles over here. This is the default style, and I want to change the color scheme. So you guys can see there are a few different styles I can pick out from, like this. And I think I'm going to go with this design over here. Once I've picked out a style, I can even click on the top right over here, and you can edit a particular style. So in this style, let's say I want to add another accent color, so I can click on colors on the right side, and then you will see the background color, the text color. Let's say I want to make it more of a navy green, I can choose that. Now you can see on your top right, you have some other colors as well, and you have your basic color palette. So in your color palette, you will have all of the colors that are set within that particular theme. And you can click on show details to add another color. So this is the base color, this is the tertiary color. If I want to edit the tertiary color, I can choose it like so. Like this, I've chosen this color, and I'm going to click on save as I go. And now I can go back ahead and go back to my WordPress editor on the left side. Now, once I've chosen the style or the color of my website, I want to start building my pages. There are two ways you can go about with building pages. You can click on templates, and you can choose a particular template for a particular block of item that you want. Or you can click on pages, and first off, you're going to see your blog home, which is currently our default page. Now, I am looking to build a blog, so I'm going to keep it as it is. If you're not looking to build a blog, you can edit it as well. So you can click on this, and you will see your posts per page, header, and footer. If you want to customize these areas, you can do that as well. Now, after that, if I go into my pages, I have a privacy policy and a sample page. Now, this is the empty sample page, and I want to start building my own pages. So I will click on draft a new page, and the title for that is going to be something like travel blogs, and I'll click on create a draft. Now I'm going to click on continue. Now this is our travel blogs page. Currently it's totally empty. We have a basic little comment section, but I want to start editing this page. So you guys will see it has these different sections. It has an image section, it has the basic title, then a block, then the comments, as well as the footer. Now, if you want to create a different type of page, you can go on ahead and click on the top left and different blocks will appear. So in these blocks, you will find the particular item you might want to add. So if you're looking to embed a paragraph, heading, list, code, details, pull note, columns, buttons, or anything else. So first off, let's say I want to add a simple description. So I'm just going to click on the plus icon, click on paragraph, and I'm just going to type in a description. So I've just added a simple little description. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to click on select. And if I want to remove any of these sections, I can select the particular section and edit that. Now, after that, I want to maybe add something like a column. So I'm going to scroll down over here and I have columns. So I'm going to click on columns over here. Now, after that, you want to set a variation. I want this to be a 33 variation. So there will be 3 blog posts in each section. And from here, within each column, I can click on the column. This will give me another drop-down menu. And in that drop-down menu, I can choose what I want to insert. So you can choose a gallery, image, heading, or just click on Browse All, and you can add a particular item to your blog. So if I had blog posts posted already, I could directly embed those or embed a image and link those. So usually I just like to embed a image. I'm going to click on image and use my media library. Currently, I don't have any images, so I'm just going to leave a blank slate for these over here for me to later on insert my images. Now, this is just one column. Obviously, if you want to display multiple different blog posts, you want to click on a head on your top left plus icon, and you want to add another column. You can make this a lot simpler by adding metadata as well. So if I just click on columns over here, or if you click on more, and I can click on this over here, I can add another column of items, but I don't want that, so I'm just going to delete this for now. Let's say you want to add something different in your blog post page. So the first thing to keep in mind is that this is currently our in progress page. This is not something we have published yet. So make sure you are set with the overall content of your website. So this is the featured post image, and you can remove this as well. So if you click on select, you can see this is the featured image. Obviously, for most blog posts, you do have a featured image present, but you can choose to remove that as well. Now, after that, you will see you have your blocks, so your post content as well. And you can also link to a particular page and open a new window for your items that you have linked within a specific page on your WordPress website. Now, after that, you also have the overlay opacity. You can choose to change that as well. I like to keep it pretty opaque because it's a blog. And after that, if you click on your top right, you will have your visual editor turned on. Then you also have some plugins and basic settings present. Now we're going to continue on editing with our basic WordPress editor. So if you click on patterns over here, you will see that you will find posts. So you can choose to display your posts in a certain way like this. So if I choose this grid, I can add that pattern over here. And let's say I want my header to be different, so I can choose the particular header that I want. Let's say I want this type of header, and you can edit your template. Continue, and I'm gonna click on delete. Then I will add my own items over here as well. So you want to make sure you enable your editing if you want to delete any native items or native structural elements from your template. Once you're satisfied with that, you can click on save on the top right. And then once your page is saved, you can move on and start designing the next page on your WordPress website. So it's really that simple and easy. A lot of people find it to be a little complicated when they're starting out with WordPress. There is a learning curve, but it's super easy and it's super customizable. That is why WordPress is such a popular website builder. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.